up?
What's up, guys? So, well, I'm gonna be playing hide and seek for this video with Bird and Banana Boy. Okay. So, how much time should we do for hiders? Like, I think
60 seconds.
A minute.
30
Okay.
seconds. 30 or a minute. 45. A minute. Fine.
Yeah, I'll just
Minute,
count to
minute,
45
minute.
in my head. Okay.
Yeah.
Go. 5, 1. Okay. Ready or not, here I come.
Look, I'm not even in the slide, and he can like just take himself up the slide.
But technically, I already gave what map we are in. He just has to tag it. Yeah.
Oh crap! I'm cooked.
You are kind of cooked, boy.
Or am I? My brain's checking because it's safe. I told you I'm kind of just good at mountains, yo.
Okay. Yep. You are cooked.
Yo,
I think Banana is cooked.
Yeah, Banana's gonna be the one that's. Okay.
Nope.
Ow!
I know. Wait. Oh my god. I kind of just wall surfed right
How good
there.
are you guys at mountains? Because I just have a good hiding spot. Just in case you guys aren't.
I know like this whole map. I know that this whole map at the top of my hand.
No, but you can come here.
Yeah, totally.
No, I'm kind of asking just the lava monkey because that's the only person who's good.
No,
Yeah, lava monkey, are you able to come? Are you able to get to mountains? Like up here, I mean.
no, you're not allowed to hide somewhere where no one can get.
Y'all, I'm just that good, y'all. I'm just that good.
Bro, I think the lava monkey is a bit lost.
No, I see you guys. I just gotta catch up.
Should we do not tag?
Come here, Banana. If I can get enough speed. God.
Are you guys going for? Oh, you broke. Bro, you can't even get the secret tunnel. Why did I just lose so much speed? Why did I actually just lose so much speed?
Okay, got him. Okay.
It's just because I lost. You're cooked. Bro, you're
No.
Wait, you're in. We're starting a new round. We're starting a new round. You have fine.
Let me put on my outfit. Let me put on my.
Mountains? I mean, not mountains. I mean,
Should we
forest?
cancel him?
Yeah. Cancel me. I do not recommend coming to. If you guys are gonna try to run away from me, I don't recommend mountains. Imagine we get him canceled.
My God.
Okay, guys, move out my way so I can just get to mirror so I can count.
Okay.
You said 45, right?
Yeah, 45. Just
Can
count
you
in your head or out.
60?
No, 45 is good.
I'm gonna get to is kind of hard.
One.
Yeah, count. Yeah. Mountains, caves, or can't.
Four.
No. Hello? Yeah, I'm sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to end it here since my internet is glitching out. So peace.